Think your cat loves candy. They do not taste sweetness at all. Domestic cats lost the sweet taste receptor. Millions of years of evolution changed their diet. Cats are obligate carnivores. Meat is their craving. Their tongues detect amino acids and savory flavors instead. That is why they ignore sugary treats you offer. Some cats may lick desserts out of curiosity. But sweetness does not trigger pleasure for them. Scientists discovered a broken gene behind this. It also means pet food marketing can be misleading. Do not offer sugary snacks, they can harm dental health. Knowing this helps you choose better treats and recipes. Your cat will thank you with purrs, not dessert. Share this fact with fellow cat lovers.